Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Ecotics. Today we discuss how to solve integer programming with the help of Excel server. So open your Excel in your laptop or desktop. If we have a problem like this, then we put in Excel in this way. In this problem we see that x1 and x2 are two variables, so we put x1 and x2 here. And here two constants, so we write 1 and 2. In the first constant we see that x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 2 and minimum value 8. So we put here in this way. Similarly we put here second constant. Here we see that x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 1. So we put the value x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 1. Now we write here decision variables. In this problem there are two decision variables x1 and x2. So we put here x1 and x2. Now we put here x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0. These two zeros are changing cell in Excel server. Now we write here constraints. So to find constant we write here equal to, click here, minus sum product, first bracket, and select this and this. So first you select this, press comma and select this, and you write here dollar and dollar here and bracket close, press enter. So to find second constant we write here equal to, click here, minus sum product and select here this, press comma and select this and write here dollar and here bracket close, press enter. This is the minimize problem, so we write here cost. So to find cost we write here equal to sum product, first bracket, select this, press comma and select this, bracket close, press enter. To solve this problem with the help of solver we click here. First set the target cell. This is our target cell. This is the minimize problem, so click the minimize option. And now select the changing cell. This is our changing cell. And click add. Here we first select the cell reference. So this is our cell reference. And right here less than equal to 0. And again we click add, select this cell reference, get less than equal to 0 and click OK. Now we go to the option and right click here and click OK and click the solve. To see the answer sheet you click answer and click the answer report and see the answer sheet. This is your answer sheet. So we find that the value of x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0. If you want to save this, then you click here and click the save options. Rename the file and click save.